Welcome students. So in this short video we'll be seeing the order of mathematical operations. So it is a very short video and it has only two objectives to cover. The first objective would be evaluating the numerical expressions, and then in the same way we'll be seeing how to evaluate the algebraic expressions. So we'll start our lesson. Evaluating the numerical expressions. So let's start with a small example. When you are given 5 to the power of 3, which is nothing but 5 cube, how will we expand this? 5 times 5 times 5. So what is that? 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125, which is very easy for you, right? Evaluating the numerical expressions. So if you are given 3 power 2, which is 3 square, how you will evaluate it? 3 times 3, which is 9. So in the same way, can you try an example? 4 cube. How will you evaluate it? 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So I hope you can do this very easily, evaluating the numerical expressions. In the same way, we will see how to evaluate algebraic expressions. Always remember the rule BODMAS, which is bracket. First, you have to always evaluate what is under the bracket. That is, you remember as B. Always remember this name, BODMAS. So the second, you have to evaluate if there is any multiplications or divisions. And the third step would be adding and subtraction if there is anything in the expression given for you. That is termed as BODMAS. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Always remember this term BODMAS. Now we will try an example with this. So what do you have here? You have here an addition, multiplication and a subtraction. So by BODMAS rule, what do you have to do first? Is there any brackets? No. Is there any division? No. So first you have to multiply. What is multiplication here? 3 times 4. So 6 plus, what is 3 times 4? 12 minus 2. So now here what are the next operations you have? Addition and subtraction. What do you have to do first by the term? You have to do the addition. So what is 6 plus 12? 18 minus 2. So you have only one operation left, which is subtraction. So 18 minus 2 is 16. Your answer is 16. I hope this clears your BODMAS rule. Always remember the term BODMAS. First bracket, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's try. Let us evaluate this expression. So what do you have here? Division, addition. Here it is a multiplication and you have a bracket as well, right? So what is our rule? BODMAS. Always remember this term, BODMAS. So in expression, if you have different operations, first you have to evaluate what is within the bracket. So what is within the bracket? H minus 4. So we will do 6 divided by 3 plus 5 and we will do what is multiplied by, what is 8 minus 4? 4. So now here we have division, addition and multiplication. So after B, what is there? D, you do D, division. So what is 6 divided by 3? 2 plus 5 times 4. So you have here an addition and the multiplication. So what do you have to do first? Multiplication. So equal 2 plus 5 times 4 is 20. So your answer would be 22. I hope this is clear for you now. Let's try one more example. You have here a subtraction, a bracket, here addition. So first we will clear what is within a bracket. Within a bracket you have a power. If you have a power, always do that operation first. So 25 minus 8 plus 5 minus 3, the whole power, which is 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4 plus 4. So we have a subtraction, still we have a bracket and an addition. So try to remove the bracket first. Always remember the rule, BODMAS. 25 minus 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 4. So you have here a subtraction and addition. So what do you have to do first? Addition. So 25 plus 4 is 29 minus 12. So what is 29 minus 12? 17. So your answer would be 17. I hope with these two examples, the first objective is clear for you. If you remember this rule BODMAS, you can do it very easily. So this is a shortcut for you. Always remember the term BODMAS. So in the same way, we will do some algebraic expressions. 5x, evaluate 5x, y minus 3 if x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. So we have to substitute x equal to 4 here and you have to substitute y equal to 5 here. So 5 times x is 4. 5 times 4, y minus 3. So what is our rule? BODMAS. What is inside the bracket? We have to clear it first. So 5 times 4 times 5 minus 3 is 2. So you have multiplication. So you can do it straight away. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. This is algebraic expressions. What is given, you have to substitute directly. So, can you all try this question now students? So, 2a minus 3b divided by c. So, a is 10. So, substitute a as 10, b as 6 and c as 6. So, what do we get? 2 times 10 minus 3 times 6 divided by 6. So first we will do what is within the bracket. Within the bracket you have 20 minus 3 times 6 is 18 divide 6. So what is 20? You have here a bracket. So let's clear what is within a bracket. Within a bracket we have subtraction. So 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 divided by 6, which is 2 over 6, which is equal 1 over 3. So your answer is 1 over 3. This is same like evaluating the numerical expression. The only step you have to add here is you have to substitute the value what is given for the variables. So let's wind up the video with a short exit question. So can you all evaluate this? The rule is BODMAS. So first let's clear what is within the bracket. So 23 minus 4. What is inside the bracket? 4 minus 2 is 2. Divide by 15. So you have here a subtraction, multiplication and a division. So what do you have to prioritize first? Division. So which is equal 23 minus 4, and what is 2 divided by 5? 1 over 2 divided by 5. You can write as 2 over 5. And so now you can simplify this. 23 minus 8 over 5. So this would be your answer. If you want to simplify this further, you can simplify this. So the main concept here is to understand the BODMAS rule. So thank you.